Wall Street is set for another higher open on Tuesday. President Trump will be on Capitol Hill at the weekly Republican policy luncheon to rally Senate on his tax bill. But gains for the market could be limited today amid concerns for support for that tax bill. Now, earlier today, Senate Bob Corker stated that he may vote no on the GOP tax bill over deficit concerns. Also, today marks the confirmation hearing for Fed Reserve Chair nominee Jerome Powell. And let's take a look at the markets in the previous session. We saw U.S. indices close mixed to start the week on Monday. Shares in the energy, semiconductor, and semiconductor equipment, as well as materials, lost momentum. Meanwhile, shares in the retailing, utilities, and software and services sectors gained traction. 52% of S&P 500 constituents traded lower yesterday. And moving on to today's company news, Buffalo Wild Wings is in the spotlight. Restaurant chain Arby's announced that it had agreed to buy the company for about $2.4 billion. Work Capital's Arby's Restaurant Group will buy Buffalo for $157 per share, excluding assumed debt. That is an improvement from the original bid of $150 per share. And separately, Emerson Electric withdrew its bid to buy Rockwell. It cited Rockwell's unwillingness to engage in discussions about the potential combination. And moving on to overseas markets on Tuesday, Asia markets are mixed. The Nikkei was flat, as well as the Hang Seng, while South Korea's Kospi was up by 0.25%. European indices are trading higher this morning. Meanwhile, here in the U.S., the Nasdaq is in the spotlight. A rebound is expected, and long positions above 63.90 are preferred, with targets at 64.35 and 64.50 an extension. As for the S&P 500, the bias remains bullish, and for the Dow Industrials, a further advance is expected.